Hello mga kaklasheng and welcome to my vlog. So, for today's vlog, I'm going to unbox the Pop Mart Cuties that I ordered online. You know, I really love this Pop Mart box. It's so cute. And nakalagay din dito yung kanilang malaking QR code where you can follow them on Instagram. And of course, the monsters drawing. Diba super cute mga kaklasheng? Parang gusto ko siyang kulayan. Charot! So, let's start to unbox these cuties mga kaklasheng. So the first box to open is the Mega Molly Space Series. Actually, I just tried it out kasi gusto ko makita kung gaano siya kalaki. But it's a bit smaller than Labubu. So, let's open it mga kaklasheng. Ang gusto kong makuha dito actually is the Perch 2016. But, let us see kung ano yung nasa loob. So what I got is the Tender Heart Bear. It's a little bit smaller mga kaklasheng but it's still cute. So the next box to open is the Cry Baby. This is the Cheer Up Baby edition. So I'm going to see if it's really cute sa personal. So these are the colors that I can get inside the box. I really want the purple mga kaklasheng. So let us see kung yung favorite color ko ang makuha ko. Meron din siya actually secret box and it's the brown color. So, jan. I will still not look at the cards para mas exciting mga kaklasheng. Anong color kaya ito? Let's open the foil. And I got the red one. It's so cute. Ang ganda niya mga kaklasheng. I love it. So, hello there, Red. Ang cute pala ng Cry Baby sa personal. Kasi nakikita ko lang siya sa mga photos, sa picture. It's so cute. So, the next box to open, I hope na makuha ko na yung purple mga kaklasheng. Or the blind box. Let us see. Still, I will not look at the card para mas exciting kung ano nga yung color na makukuha ko. So, this is what I got. So cute mga kaklasheng. Hello there, Yellow. So, ang cute pala ng mga Cry Baby sa personal. I really love it mga kaklasheng. And I think I'm going to buy a whole box of the Cry Baby Cheer Up Baby Edition. So, ito yung aking mga cuties and I'm starting to love all of them. So again mga kaklasheng, thank you for watching my vlog and I hope that you keep on supporting my channel. So see you again on my next video. Take care. Bye!